Did you know that the future of label printing is here and it's transforming industries? Direct PDF printing is revolutionizing manufacturing and logistics, driven by Industry 4.0, cloud software, and connected labeling requirements. Traditional methods are becoming obsolete. With smart manufacturing and remote management, the demand for direct PDF printing is skyrocketing. But why is this shift happening now? Let's look at the trends fueling this transformation. Legacy printing systems can have vulnerabilities with accuracy and connectivity. Until recently, direct PDF printing wasn't viable due to the limitations of speed and usability. Organizations were stuck with outdated systems or faced restrictions with PDF labels. The need for faster, more accurate printing has never been greater. Direct PDF print could offer a solution, but only now has technology caught up to make it a practical option for demanding industrial needs. Enter Toshiba's A-BRID platform and the BX Industrial Printer Series. These innovative solutions offer unmatched speed, quality, and usability, transforming PDF printing into a viable option for industrial applications. A-BRID integrates seamlessly with existing systems, enabling fast, accurate printing without the need for additional software. It's a true game-changer, setting Toshiba apart in the competitive landscape. Toshiba's benchmarks showcase superior performance in print speed, accuracy, and image quality. Faster, high-quality PDF direct printing supports Industry 4.0, enhancing business operations and meeting customer demands efficiently. By adopting Toshiba's PDF plug-and-print solution, you'll streamline your printing process and boost operational efficiency. Don't get ready. Get started with A-BRID.